Hi, I'm James from RegalDrapes.com, and today I'll be explaining the design tool. So we start by clicking on Design Your Own Drapes and Design Your Space. The first step is to design the room where the drapes will be. So my room is 180 inches wide, 108 inches tall. I don't have a crown molding, and my moldings on the floor are 4 inches tall. So the color of the room is blue, sort of a grayish blue, similar to number 11. And I have maple floors. The ceiling and the moldings are the same neutral color, just about number 12. And so now that we've done our room, we can unclick Show Measurements just to see the plain room. Next we can go to Windows and drag in our windows. So I have 2 windows, but I'm just going to start by putting one in because the second one will automatically be resized after I put in the measurements. So the first window is 66 inches wide. 66 inches tall, 40 inches wide, 36 inches from the wall, and 24 inches off the ground. Now if you notice, when I drag the second window in, it'll automatically have the same dimensions as the first window, and all that I need to do is simply put in the distance between the 2 windows. It's 18 inches. So now I can change the color of the wood or the windows. So my windows are white, and we could also alter the landscape behind the windows. So that looks just about like my window and room. So now we can unclick Show Measurements, and we have, seems to be a pretty close match. Now we go into drapes, and we can select our drapes. So first we start by selecting a drape style. For today's example, I'm just going to go with a classic tab. And now we get to select our fabric. I'm going to go with this fabric today. Like it a lot. We could also see the fabric up closer when we hit the zoom button down in the corner. And that's looking pretty good. So I'll say select fabric. And I'm going to go with a blackout lining. And if you notice, it automatically sizes the drapes according to the measurements that you've input. So that's pretty accurate. If you feel the need, you could also change it by simply unselecting Auto and changing the width or the height or any other parameter. I'm going to add in a border, so I'm going to say 6 inches on the top, and I'm going to just choose this white fabric. And I'm going to add the same fabric on the bottom as a border as well. We'll also do 6 inches again. And there we have it. Those are our drapes. So if we want to see a clear view, we could simply go unclick Show Measurements. And there we have it. There are our drapes. Thank you, and I hope this video improves your experience at RegalDrapes.com.